Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy, where we make ISO standards simple, engaging and incredibly practical. Let me start with a very real problem that almost every business today is facing: employee retention. Employees come, stay for a few months and leave. Or worse, they stay but stop growing. And what is the result then? Constant hiring cycles, broken teams, wasted training budgets and frustrated leadership. But what if I told you that the secret to fixing this isn't just a better HR strategy, but a better training management system? And that system could be ISO 10015, the global standard for training and development. Today, we dive deep into a very powerful question: is ISO 10015 the secret to employee retention and growth? So let's explore. Now, what is ISO 10015 really is? ISO 10015 is not just about conducting training. It is about building a structure where training is strategic. It helps organizations identify training needs, design targeted programs, implement them effectively, and most importantly, evaluate whether they actually made a difference. It turns training from a box-ticking activity into a competitive advantage. In simpler words, ISO 10015 asks, why are you training? What do you want to achieve? And did it work? This system, when implemented correctly, can become a strong foundation for any company's retention and development efforts. Now we will understand, why do employees really leave? Survey shows the top reasons include lack of growth opportunities, poor communication, outdated skills, weak onboarding, and no clear career path. Now think about it. All of these are symptoms of poor or missing training systems. If people don't feel they are growing, they leave. If they are not supported through structured learning, they feel stuck. ISO 10015 helps solve these exact issues by ensuring every individual is part of a learning ecosystem. Now let's discuss the 4-step framework of ISO 10015. At the heart of ISO 10015 lies a powerful yet simple 4-step framework. Identify training needs. Start by identifying the gaps, both organizational and individual. What skills are missing? What knowledge will be needed 6 months from now? This proactive step ensures you are not just reacting to problems, but preparing for growth. Plan the training. Once the needs are identified, design a structured training plan. It should be role-based, time-bound, and aligned with both the company's and the employees' goals. This creates a clear path for development. Now deliver the training. Use appropriate methods, from live sessions and e-learning to mentorship and workshops. The key is to make the training effective and engaging, not just a one-time event. Evaluate the results. How do you know that training worked? Through measurable KPIs, assessment, feedback surveys, and performance improvements. This step ensures you are not spending, you are investing. How ISO 10015 drives employee retention? Let's connect the dots now. When employees are trained effectively and consistently, they feel valued and supported. They gain clarity about their roles and responsibilities. They see opportunities for growth within the company. They develop loyalty toward the organization. And most importantly, they don't look for reasons to leave. ISO 10015 builds a sense of purpose, progress, and personal value, which is exactly what every high-potential employee is looking for. Now let's go back to the big question. Is ISO 10015 the secret to employee retention and growth? It absolutely is, because it addresses the root cause of disengagement and turnover. It offers a structure to support growth, a culture of continuous learning, and a clear path for every employee. Retention isn't about bigger salaries. Growth isn't about fancy titles. It is about feeling invested in. And ISO 10015 gives your company that power. Thank you for watching TNV Academy, where we bring clarity, creativity, and confidence to ISO standards. If you are passionate about building a people-first organization where training leads to transformation, ISO 10015 is your best friend. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ISO insights, practical strategies, and training mastery. See you in the next video, where we make quality simple.